In this lesson, we are going to cover expressions in WinCC Unified. I have the tools screen open that was created in the previous lesson. I did, however, add in 3 additional I/O fields. The first one is assigned to bool tag 1, so the tag value is bool tag 1. The second one is bool tag 2, and the last I/O field is the int tag 1. So we are going to use these 3 I/O fields in an expression. So from the basic objects area, I am going to select a rectangle object and bring that out onto the screen. With the rectangle object selected, I'm going to select the Expressions tab. In the Expressions tab, this is where you can add in the expressions that will control a particular property on an object. So I'm going to select Add Property, and then I have a list of properties that I can select from. So I'm going to select the background color property, and that's what we're going to animate on the selected rectangle. The first condition that comes in is the default property. So when our expression condition evaluates to false, it is going to use the configuration of the default property. So in this case, it would be the background color that we would be changing. I am going to select Add New. I do get a pink box here where I can open up the expression editor. The expression editor allows me to fill in the expression that is going to control the background color. So I do have a toolbar up above where I can select tags and use logical functions as well as parentheses, and you can also use logical operators like greater than or less than, etc. So what we are going to do is we are going to utilize an expression. So I'm going to select a tag. I'm going to select my HMI tags folder. I'm going to pick the bool tag 1 and accept that. Then I will select the AND operator, and I will select another tag. This time it is going to be bool tag 2. So when this expression bool tag 1 and bool tag 2 is true, then we can change the background color property. So I will accept my expression. And now I will see the expression bool tag 1 and bool tag 2. So I can come over to the background color area and then change the condition. So I'm just going to pick a green color. So now when my expression is true, my background color will turn green. Now you can create more advanced expressions as well. So I will open up the expression editor again here. You can utilize parentheses. And I'll do another AND condition, parentheses, but this time I will use the integer tag. And we'll say greater than 10, close parentheses. And I will accept this expression. Now I will start my runtime by selecting the HMI and selecting the Start Simulation button. I will select the runtime values, uncheck the Keep Current User Administration, and select Load. Now I will start the Chrome browser. Log in as my admin user and enter in the password. HMI 12345. Select Sign In. Go to the Tools screen. And now here's the default condition for the rectangle. So I will enter in a value of 1, value of 1 for this tag, and I would have to enter in a value greater than 10. So when bool tag 1 and bool tag 2 is true, and int tag 1 is greater than 10, the background color of the rectangle changes to green. In this lesson, we covered using expressions in WinCC Unified.